This is Dr. David Stoker, a board-certified plastic surgeon in Marina del Rey, California, and I'd like to welcome you to my practice. I love my profession, and I've worked very hard to be one of the best in the industry, to have very strong credentials. In 2012, I made the decision to build out a state-of-the-art facility here in Marina del Rey. It's one of the most beautiful medical offices most people have ever seen, overlooking 3,000 sailboats in the Pacific Ocean from Malibu to Catalina Island. Every surface is sparkling, new, and the highest quality possible for a plastic surgery office. Immediately adjacent to our office, we have a state-of-the-art surgery center. I spared no expense in building out my dream facility there. We have state-of-the-art lighting, instrumentation, anesthesia equipment, and all of the most important safety features to ensure that your plastic surgery will be performed with the highest standards for safety and the highest care and attention to the details that you deserve. The team that I've been able to assemble as part of my practice is an important part of making us one of the best practices. You're going to experience, whether it's the receptionist answering the phone, the patient coordinator answering your more detailed questions about your procedure, the office manager facilitating any other aspect of your care, the nurses both in the surgery center as well as in the clinic giving you the warmth, feeling that you're in responsible, caring hands. All of those things are going to make a really big difference for your experience here. I believe that when you enter our office and take a look around, you realize that I have set myself up for success here. I've worked very hard to arrive at this point in my career where I have strong credentials, a lot of experience, beautiful results based on the thousands of pictures that we display on my website. But we've now taken it to the next level with one of the most beautiful offices and surgery centers in Southern California, and a team that supports it, that loves working here, loves taking care of patients, and loves making a difference in our patients' lives. Feel free to browse the pictures and the videos on our website to get a feel for our office, but if you're really serious about plastic surgery, I encourage you to call up and schedule a consultation. I'd be happy to meet with you to discuss your particular concerns and show you why we're different and why hopefully you'll consider us to be better. It's Dr. David Stoker in Marina del Rey, California.